Okay, guys, you ready?
I'm ready. I can't wait to see what this is.
Okay, here we go. We're open. Dun, da, da, da. Hey, everybody. Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hey, everybody. Happy Tuesday to you, and it's day 155.
If you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing different projects around our garden while we're under quarantine still.
And thank you guys for being here and for watching today. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you. And that way you won't miss all the daily videos that we post.
And guys, we just want to thank you for sticking with us, being here and watching all our videos. It's been fun for us, and we hope you enjoy it too, seeing everything we do around our garden.
Yes, huge thank you. We really appreciate it.
So guys, we got a surprise that came in the mail. We kind of forgot we ordered this, but iris bulbs. We're gonna unbox iris bulbs today, and you guys get to watch.
Yeah, you guys, we not only kind of forgot we ordered these, you know, we get busy and we forget things. We have no idea how many we ordered. We can't remember what kind we ordered. So this will be a huge surprise to all of us.
So there's two different kinds of iris bulbs. There's true bulbs that actually look like bulbs, like daffodils and tulips and whatnot. And then there's rhizomatous bulbs that look like a horizontal root. They're kind of goofy looking, but you might be familiar with one or the other. But today we don't know which ones we're getting. So this is gonna be exciting for us too.
I know, I can't wait to see what we ordered.
So guys, here we go. We're gonna unbox our iris bulbs. So I got my knife. Let's open this up.
I know, we can't wait. Okay, you guys, while he's getting that ready, we got these from Eden Brothers. We get a lot of bulbs from Eden Brothers because we love their stuff. And they gave us a great code to give away to our audience.
Yeah, guys, go on down to the description, find that code, and copy and paste it. When you go over to Eden Brothers, you can get some really good deals on some bulbs and seeds. So, okay, guys, you ready?
I'm ready. I can't wait to see what this is.
Okay, here we go. We're open. Dun, da, da, da. Whoa!
Oh, look at those!
Look at those! This is neat.
Okay.
I don't think we've ever ordered iris bulbs
I don't
from
think. I think
Eden
this.
Brothers.
I think you're right. This is our first year.
So here's some stuff we got with it. Some paperwork. Everybody loves paperwork. So how to handle it. Some different things that they talk about, and then all you need to know about your bulbs. Okay, so.
Oh my gosh, how many are in there?
I don't know. Let's take a look. So here we go. Here's some of our information. So guys, this is so cool. These are bearded irises, and it's a blue mix.
That's cool.
They're gonna have blue
forgot we got
flowers.
those.
Yeah. So, and it says here they're gonna get 2 to 4 feet high. Their planting depth is only 1 to 2 inches below ground, and they'll bloom from late spring into early fall. They need sun and partial shade, and the flower color is a mixed blue bearded iris varieties.
Oh, that's so cool. And you guys
Crazy.
can see on the picture on the screen there, that's what they're gonna look like.
Isn't that cool, you guys? All these little bulbs.
Oh my gosh, look at those.
You can see down below here, these are the rhizomatous kind.
That's
and they,
so cool.
Yeah, they look a little different from what we're used to, because we're used to them being about this long, usually as rhizomatous roots, and these are a little bit shorter, actually a lot smaller. It's probably most likely because these are so young, but these are beautiful. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
There should be 5, right?
5.
Yeah,
There are
okay.
5 in here, so that's cool.
Well, it's cool. I'm super excited about these as well. Now that I remember what we got, these are reblooming irises, so this will be fun. We need to find a really good home for these.
And again, they bloom from late spring into early fall. So they're going to start in the early spring. They'll go through a blooming cycle, flower cycle, and then it sounds like they're going to rebloom again.
Oh my gosh.
So this is going to be great.
Oh, this is so cool.
Cool.
So you guys, again, if you want something similar and you want to check out the same type that we got from Eden Brothers, check our description down below.
Make sure to get that coupon, you guys. So guys, there's our new iris bulbs.
So excited.
So now we got to figure out where we're going to plant them. Oh my God.
I know, you guys, we also have more bulbs on the way because right now is the time to get them. You want to get your orders in before they all sell out.
Yep, right now they're selling them and they're shipping them because this is pretty much the right time to get them out to you so you can get them in the ground this fall. Now, to recap a little bit, there are certain bulbs that you want to plant in the fall and then some you want to plant in the spring. Irises are one of those bulbs you want to plant in the fall. So guys, with that, leave any of your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. You guys always ask really good questions. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, that's a wrap for today. Like Sean said, we got to figure out where to plant these next, so that might be a future video. So stay tuned for that. Have a great day ahead, you guys, and we'll be back tomorrow with our next project.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.